So in this particular 2 days event, today we will be meeting for half an hour, 9:30 to 10 o'clock. So today I'll be discussing certain aspect of our softwares, that is smart IT software. So on this software, we have made many upgradations recently, or some new features are being added, like the Nifty top and bottom using the weeks it is got added in smart IT software. So trend reversal software in the Gann, we have added the hexagon, price time, price range. All these three tools we have added in our software. So this is the first day event. Today's event you will be learning about that. And tomorrow is very special. So tomorrow evening I have scheduled the session 7 o'clock to 7:30, 16th of June. You must not miss this event because certain concepts are very important. Whenever we come with some new concept or new way of using a existing concept, we always share it in the public domain. So if you happen to see my YouTube channel, if you are visiting my YouTube channel in the smartfinance.com, so here our YouTube channel. So here from the past couple of 1 month before, I have published couple of videos how you can do a pair trade in the crude and natural gas. So very important concept, how you can do a pair trade in the natural gas and crude. So this is what I have published 3 times and 1 month before. So this is I have demonstrated my own trade contract note. So today also you will be seeing that, you can see here. So if I can show my, you can see how much, though in fact only one open position will be there. See here. So in the option also I have hedged. So 1 month before I was showing you 68k profit, exactly 1 month before. So that is 26th, 27th of or 16th or 17th of April, May, June, almost 2 months it is going to become, 1.5 months. So 68k profit I was showing. Now this is my own account. It is not any borrowed account and all. So here you can see my name. So here 2 lakhs 34 and option also hedged. Option also given a very, it is being utilized for the hedging. So 39k 2.74 lakhs. So with a capital of hardly 5.5 lakhs, 5.5 lakhs. So this is what the pair trade you are going to learn tomorrow's session. It's an existing concept only. We are using the beta decoupling concept there. So whenever there is a decoupling, we are initiating the trade. And in fact, nowadays options are available in the commodities. So you can, excellent way you can able to hedge those positions. So this is what the performance it has given. And if you can just go for the trade book, you can see this financial year, current financial year, I have started this particular things on the April 12th of April. So this is 12th of April. I have started this one. I have given those outcomes or those profit and loss analysis in our YouTube channel. So the same concept you are going to learn tomorrow. So tomorrow's session is very important. So please do join, because at least you will learn some valid and a new concept. So however the interest is yours. So if you think that yes, it is a valid concept, I should learn with limited mathematical work, I can utilize this concept in my studies. So this in 2005 itself I came in this concept of beta decoupling, the same concept you are going to learn tomorrow. So today's event, we are going to see the new features which is got added in our software, and tomorrow we are going to know the how beta decoupling is useful, especially in the commodity energy segment. So, and the results you have seen, YouTube video you can backtest. So when something valid comes, definitely and that too also free. So what happens? People used to suspect more. So it is natural. So if you have a real intent, please do join tomorrow's event also, and without fail, you should join. Those are especially the old participants. Those are the old participants. To them, I will request definitely you should use the beta decoupling concept in the commodity. It's a highly rewarding technique, highly rewarding technique, and it works fantastic there. So, and very peacefully you can able to do. Though natural gas was crashed yesterday, but still we are not. Those who have initiated that trade, they will not be get destroyed by this. If it is a slight little bit of hedging is there, they also can make good money out of that. So this is what we are going to learn tomorrow. So today's event will be seeing the new features added into the Smart IT software, Gann software, and how it is going to help us in our trading. So whenever any trade outcome happens, that time always I used to say that you must hedge your trade. That is the first principle of your trade success. Without hedging, you cannot make big money in the market. So, as I have shown in the commodities, the hedging part we have done, but we got very little profit, only 39K profit. But future part we made some 2.5 lakhs profit. And sometimes hedging part also will be landing in a smaller loss. But hedging is very, very important for a and good trade practice. So hedging must be there. Without hedging, any trade you do, any study you use, it won't have any positive outcome on your portfolio. So at the end of the day, only the positive outcomes are important. So now you are seeing that market is having some down move. It has started with a down move. Now it is moving towards a downward trajectory or slightly negativity is there. Federal Reserve meeting, all these things are there. So we'll just have some specific views here. So you can see in the top ribbon of my software. So here Nifty top and bottom, I have given a new top things. Intraday top and bottom, it was been given earlier. So first we will see the price trend. So price trend analysis, it is as per the one standard deviation studies, you are getting it here. 15,800 above, we are setting the uptrend. 15,728 below, we are setting the downtrend. So in fact, if you look into the pricing part now, so 15,726, we are almost at the verge of downtrend. So if you want to initiate the trade, how it should be? How it should be? You'll be selling the Nifty along with one 15,700 call option buy. Call option buy. So call option buy, you should initiate the trade. So selling the Nifty future along with a 15,700 call option buy, this is a trade which you should take with hedging. So because it's the intraday trade, and we must reverse our trade if the Nifty goes to 15,827, 26.75 rounded to 27, and our optimum target or the first target should be 15,668. Once this target comes, option should be closed, this should be closed. In fact, only future if you have taken, whatever the profit you would have enjoyed. With hedging, if you take, then your profit will definitely reduce. But it is worth to take it whenever there is a stop loss hit happens also. A 60% of the losses what you will be incurring in the future will be recovered from the option, not 100%. 60-70% it will recover. So this is what the price trend or price action you can take. So what is the use of this Nifty top and bottom? So this we have come in the 2020 April, Corona first wave when it has hit. So that month itself, we have brought that particular this method for finding out a top and bottom. So what happens here? We are taking the maximum weeks in the past month, lowest weeks in the past month, and what is the maximum top or the highest price of the last month and lowest price of the last month, and using the weeks we are calculating it. That video also you can find out in our YouTube channel, year 2020, finding out Nifty and top and bottom using wicks. That video is already there. Many of you would have been there, so you would have been visited that video. So here we have just automated that calculation with a slight bit of modifications and other things. So here what happens, we are getting a top, these are the tops, and these are the bottom. So these are the bottom. So now you can say that based on these values, say we have come near to 15,662 level. So 660. Yesterday also we came near to 667. So today, if you can say that we have a uh, so low 707 it has come, but it is a spot level. So 707. So 707 we have come today. Yesterday 667. So this is how we have. So this couple of windows I have to close. So here what happens, that bottom is being identified, or it has come down to that 667 668 level. So here if this is a bottom and a reversal happens from here, if this bottom is closed, is broken, or 15,662 below it has gone, then it will be finding out next bottom at 15,506. So here many people used to get confused. Whenever we talk about a top or bottom, they used to identify that no, this is the maximum it can fall. Below that, there should not be any fall. This is the maximum it can rise. Beyond that, it won't rise. It is not in the stock market context. It is not the Mount Everest that it has a height and it will never go beyond that, or it has a base, it will never fall below that. So stock market data are the dynamic price point data. So what is the stock market price data? Dynamic price data. So means today it is 17,000. 5 years ahead the line it may be 25,000. It may be 5,000. Dynamic data. And this data is being is again has a lot of definition, because here I have already many videos I have told why technical indicators nowadays not working. So technical indicators when it has been developed, so that time, so that is a that made it as a random data, whereas we are now in a different data set. So fixed range we are not obeying. So for that, the bottoms and the top will always have the bottoms and the top is always having a the bottoms and the tops are always having a dynamic feature. So it will, if one bottom is violated, then the next bottom will be your base. So if the very next bottom is violated, the next will be your base. So now if it is a 15,662 base is being formed from here, if there is a reversal happen, how you will know? So yesterday very clearly you can say, because market will tell you what is the price happened yesterday. 15,667, this level it has come. 15,667 668, or you can say 700, near to that 700 it has come. So these are spot level. In fact, it is not future level, these are all spot nifty level. So this is a very close near to one bottom comes, means I will just hit in that, I will see that bottom reversal. So when I will be confirmed that yes, it is a bottom reversal is happening, once it goes to 0.382% of this reversal, bottom reversal, 15,973. Till it has not crossed 15,973, I will not be accepting that reversal as a true reversal. If you can see yesterday's price, so 800 and 850 above also it has gone. So here this is the reversal point. So this won't change. This is a previous month data. Today whatever you are getting, you will get tomorrow. So it is previous month's data it is being taken. So this, the from 1st June to end of June, it won't change. So this is the bottom it is being created. Now one bottom is being created. This is holding good. The moment, and one more thing you have to understand here, the moment 15,662 is broken, your next base is 507. So how you will work on that? Especially whenever you are, suppose you have bought a future. for monthly trade or for a long term trade, you bought a Nifty future. So, or you bought any company which is a part of Nifty. So you bought a future, you hedged it with certain things. You bought future at say 16,500, you bought the future. And you have also hedged it with the 16,500 put option. Put option. This is what you have done. So once this bottom is 500 and 662 is coming, so that time what I'll do some adjustment in this strategy. Like this put options I can close, I can go to 15,500 put option, 15,500 put option. So if I take this order by 15,500 put option, if this 15,500 also violates, then it will go to 15,256 504. So what happens here? How you should do? As soon as it comes, as soon as it comes to the level, we can do it, or we should as soon as it comes to that level, we should immediately we should do the adjustment, or we wait for some time. You must wait. Once this bottom 15,662 has come, slightly you have to wait for 5 or 10 minutes or few hours. See that whether the reversal is happening. Say reversal has not happened, 15,854 level it has come, or something beyond it has gone. So 972 has not come. So this is the time you should do your adjustment. Means 16,500 put you have to close, you have to go to 15,500. So this also I used to apply. So a couple of accounts what we used to run for our testing of our softwares and all. So many of you, so you will be seeing that this is a my wife's account. So here what happens? Many accounts we used to run only for our testing purpose. So you can see that here. So some commodity testings and other things. Commodity also I'm testing some strategies here. So you can see here Nifty what I did. So there is a Nifty future here. So Nifty future you are seeing here, there is a buying of Nifty future is there, and I have 15,000 put here. I have taken, I have a 16,000 put also. One quantity is here. It was earlier two quantities. I have reduced it by one quantity. Here I have added two quantities. So all these things used to happen only for that adjustment purpose. Only to do that adjustment, we need to look into this high and lows. So monthly top and bottom. So this position Nifty what I have taken, this is not a intraday position. I have taken it for the month of June. So for that, so this top and bottoms is going to help me to initiate for the or the do the adjustment for the monthly positions. So if it is a intraday position, straightforward, nothing is there. You just generate the one standard deviation levels or natural constant levels. Just buy into that counter, having buy into counter with a specific hedge, keep a stop loss, and go on. So when you are going for a monthly position, that time what happens? You will be going on doing the adjustment till the situation is not favorable to you. So that is for that this monthly top and bottom is useful. Here two indicators we have given, previous month and trailing month. What is the use of trailing month? Sometimes the data points change very rapidly, very quickly it changes. So the data points which we have seen now, it has completely changed. Completely changed. If you see previous month 17,100, then comes to some low and other things. But now the data points have changed, weeks have changed, the data points have changed from 14th of June trailed by 13th of June. So 1 month data points have changed drastically. So if I wish to see that on based on that, what is the top and bottom, you will find out here. So here one bottom 15,000. Earlier also we have seen 15,500 one bottom was there. So now it is that bottom 15,662 what we have seen, that is slightly revised. Whenever you will go for the trailing 1 month, so again I will show that previous month. So previous month's data whenever we have taken, what we got 15,506 followed with 15,662. This is the bottom. However, if I am just going for the trailing 1 month, so what happens? All data points are changed. The high changed, low changed, VIX parameter changed. Same process, my bottom also will be changing a slight bit. 15,504. So couple of point it has deviated. This two also 30-40 point it has deviated. So if I click it here, I will be getting the reversals in a slightly different manner, close to that. So it was 976, now it has become 946. So earlier it was 854, it has become 830. So this only to identify slight changes will come. Sometimes 975 will not come, 946.50 will come. So what will happen? You'll say that no, 976 has not come, but that reversal has given a confirmation. I could not able to make utilize of that. So if you take a trailing months data, this revise features also you can get. So revise features once you get, so it will again rectify your tradings. So here, very idea of this top and bottom is to guide you for your positional trades. Those who are the positional option traders, option strategy traders, positional future traders, they can take the benefit of this. So here too also we have given the Nifty intraday top and bottom. Intraday top and bottom, it is based on these cycles. So sometimes if it is a higher volatility is there, you can go to 13, 15 and 17 cycles. This method also I have explained in one of my video, that is same time 2021 or 2020 April or May. This also we have added long back. So this is also holding good, but fast cycle penetration should happen. Once the fast cycle penetration happen, you can get the remaining cycles. So remaining cycles that, and it is a fantastic method. Once the golden mean crossover happens, fantastic targets you get. Here also golden mean means today 15,726. If it breaks, 687 is your first target, and furthermore 674 it breaks, 15,636 will be your target. It's an excellent method for intraday. Here too also I will always advise that go into the hedging. So now also 710 you are getting here. So in fact if the downtrend breakout has given, so definitely we'll get some progress in that. So coming to the Gann software. Gann software. So we have added couple of new things here. So as I have told you, so earlier low angle, high angle, static angle, Gann angle was there, and high low square also there. This 5 methods was there. Now hexagon is being added. Price time is also added. Price range method also added. 3 more methods. So Gann has given plenty of methods for timing reversals, trend type reversal. So why hexagon is important? Gann first told that is a Gann square. So Gann square. So now there is a hexagon has come. Tetrahedron also will come. So in after few months you will say that we will add the tetrahedron. It's a triangle structure, tetrahedron. So these are the structures not based on the Gann's imagination. Square of 9 has come. There is a 9 planets in your planetary system. So visible planets or impacting planets. Then there is a square of 12. It is based on the 12 months in a year. So hexagon is a geometrical figure which is emphasizing on 6 seasons in a year. So your 12 months has 6 seasons. So you have summer, winter, rainy, autumn, spring. So this type of 6 seasonal patterns we have. So hexagon, for that it is important. And whenever we are going for a hexagon, the same formula for squares will not be variable, or it is not squares is not that much important. So here hexagon methods. So this, those who have joined the last program, they knew how to calculate this trend reversal day. So hexagon also we had a trend reversal 14 and 15. If earlier dates we have already flagged in our Facebook and other things. Low angle perfectly it has worked. First and 9, 27. High angle also 6 was there. So first 1, 9, 6. So these trend reversal dates, you have seen it how perfectly it has worked. Now hexagons you are observing from 15, 14. So 14, 15, 16 there is a gap, again 17 there is a trend reversal. So 14 was yesterday. We have seen a trend reversal. Impact also has negative opening happened, but 13th was a negative, 14th yesterday also we went into negative, opened a negative, but because of trend reversal actions it has gone up again. Close was slight negative. So today we are following up because both are combined to each other. So whatever 14th action will be there, when two consecutive dates are there, 14th whatever actions you will observe, 15th the same actions you will observe. So though there will be a negative opening, it will go to the positive, closing will be near to positive. So this is at the 15th. So, but what happens if there is a 3 days consecutively come, 14, 15, 16? Anybody? Those who have already taken that course or studied that, can anyone tell me? In hexagon method, we are getting 14, 15. So if there is a 16 also, so here 3 consecutive days, if it is coming as a trend reversal day, then none of the day will work. So none of this work days will work. All 3 days will be failure. None of these 3 days the trend reversal will happen. If there are two trend reversal dates are coming, then the second day it will be a follow-up of that first day's trend can happen. But if there are 3 days are coming, then all three will be a bouncing days. None of these things will work. None of these things will work. So now if you can say here we are getting one 9, 10, 11. 9, 10, 11. Though it is not a actual calculation, we don't have data for June. So July data is being projected through June data. So that is why, but none of these 3 dates will work. So for 8 it will not work, though it is a holiday. 11 also it will not work. So these trend reversal dates are not going to work. So 3 consecutive day trend reversal, none of the days will work. So these are, and price time square actions also is having one same way. So when you are seeing this trend reversal dates, what we should do? Say 9th was a trend reversal day. What should be my action? Can anyone will tell? On 9th I should initiate the trend. I will come to the thing. If 9th is a trend reversal day, on 9th I should initiate the trade and take the benefit, or on 8th I should initiate the trade and write the benefit on 9th, or 9th I should avoid and 10th only I should take what I should do as a trader. Is not going to give you any benefit. One day prior, so 8th towards the end, around 3:15 to 3:30, 3:15 to 3:30, you will be knowing that where the 3:30, where the price is trending now. So if it is a negative closing is going to happen, if it's a negative closing is going to happen, so what you have to do, here, if there is a negative closing you are anticipating, or 15 minutes will nothing, not big changes may not come. So if there is a negative closing happening on 3:15 to 3:30 on 8th, so what you have to do, you have to buy the future, and you must hedge it with a put option, or buy a put option, hedge with a buy of a put option. It's the simplest hedging. So you hedge this position and hold it 9th on the opening hour. If the trend reversal is giving you some action, so 9th itself you have to book the profit. So 9th, the trend reversal day, is the profit booking day for you. 8th, you have to take a call. Then 9th is the day of trend reversal, is the profit booking day for you. Day of trend reversal, you are not going to enter the trade. Trade must be entered one day prior, because this is a prior information. You are going to, you knew tomorrow there is a trend reversal day. So why you should wait for tomorrow? So today, last hour, you should initiate, and it must be hedged, and next day on the morning if you are getting the trend reversal action, must book the profit. So here pricing analysis is not important. So here only the dates are guiding you. So dates are guiding. The pricing support all these calculations not required. So this is more the number of days you get, more will be your profitability. Or if you have an existing position, you can hedge it. So these are the three new additions here. Also, we have added that trend reversal scanner. Also, we have integrated couple of things. So here the hexagon angle, based on that also trend reversal scanner. We have integrated price range, price time. So these three also is got added. Low angle, high angle, high-low square was there in the scanner. So we have added hexagon, price time and price range. So these three also got added in the trend reversal scanner. So scanner is highly useful. So trend reversal scanner will be telling you. So on 16th, so symbol having trend change on 16th June. So today, if you run the scanner, you will come to know. So tomorrow, which of the stocks are having the trend reversal on 16th. So accordingly, you can take a call, and we have also given a brief discussions below. So the stocks which are uh, means giving a closing or uptrend level 2 or downtrend level 2, their probability of accepting the trend reversal is more. Any so day end or towards 3:30, if you Bajaj Finance is Bajaj Finance, if it is giving a close up or near to uptrend level 2, then tomorrow the probability of a downtrend is more. So same process, if it is giving a closing near to downtrend level 2, so probability of accepting the trend reversal tomorrow will be high, above 60%, above 65% probability of honoring, accepting, respecting that trend reversal will be there. So this scanner is also is a very highly useful tool, and many people are using this tool because this is a very simple thing. No need to go hunt for the support, all these things. Simply observe it, go for a very good hedgings with the option and carry the trade. So this also is a very good, fantastic tool, and we have added these new additions, new things here. So this is also again simplifying many processes. Session is very important. You are going to learn the commodity pair trade. So if you have the link, same registration. Those who have registered once, they did not have to register twice. Do invite your friends. So this is a free event. Anybody can able to join. Means we pay to our employees for adding this the new features. Lot of works used to happen, but for the existing buyers, we never used to, for the same tool we never charge anything extra. This comes to them. If they are user of the software, they can just update the software and start using. Those who are using the Gann software, they can just update the software. All these new features will be get updated for them. So you are not going to pay anything extra for this. So update the tool, new features will be automatically get added to them. Only thing is that here, those who follow the proper instruction, trades must be hedged. Every trade must be hedged. So those buyers or those users of our software, those who follow that simple instruction, all my trades should be hedged. I'll do in a professional way. Those traders are extremely successful using the smart finance software. And those who are not at all accepting the idea that market involves a, irrespective of finest technical analysis, market always gives you surprise. Market data is a dynamic data. It won't be avoided by any calculation to the extent of 100%. So no calculations can force the market to accept their calculation up to 100%. There is no 100% accurate method. For that reason only, hedging is essential. Hedging is essential. Many of you would have seen those who are commodity trader. Yesterday, what happened in natural gas? 17% fall happened. 17% fall happened within how many hours? Within 25 minutes or 20 minutes. Three times it has freezed. So three times it has freezed yesterday. Those who have not hedged the natural gas, they bought it, they did not hedge it, they cannot recover that losses throughout or for next 6 months. Next 6 months, yesterday one incident of 25 minutes given such a bitter experience to natural gas buyers that they cannot recover that losses for the entire period of this year or 6 to 8 months. If they're hedged, nothing to worry. Very minimal loss. That 17% fall happened, hardly they would have lost 15, 16,000. That is the importance of hedging. So here, this is stock scanner feature. If you are selecting, load the data, and here you will get a stocks in uptrend. So these are the list of stocks in uptrend. You accept only stock, but if you just select and view the target, these targets are based on the previous day's closing. Means so these are not real levels. So you have to see in the real software here. You have to load the data and get a fresh level. And we have also, this is a old interface, we have also added a new things which we are giving with the smart IT buyers. All of them are getting. So this is technical studies what we have, technical analysis what we have developed. So this technical studies has the volatility scanner. This is more accurate. Stocks which is having an increased volatility are best for intraday. So this particular scanner, real-time scanner. So here these are the rising volatility. This part of stocks, Infosys, Mindtree, Bajaj Finance, so Amarras Battery, these are the stocks which are good for the intraday, rising volatility. Falling volatility, these stocks will never give you good result in intraday, or these stocks are not going to give you good result in the intraday. So this list you have to take it from here and do the analysis and make the things. So that was a old interface, and this is the new interface along with the volatility. And this list can change. Rise in volatility, this list can change during the day. So whenever you are going to trade, so have a look at that and initiate that particular trades. Means take that stock and initiate that. None of our product is being costly, so it is highly affordable. Yearly subscriptions, then you first post 1 year, it is having a renewal cost, and this you can say all those who are taking a full package, they get one time spending, but that spending worth a lot. Those who have spent that money of near to 22,000, they got the best benefit. Those are the serious traders. It is their open confession. Once anybody who has accepted this mathematical idea of trading, they have never ever got disappointed. Never ever. Never ever got disappointed. Only one thing is that they have just accepted the very idea that mathematically I should calculate and initiate the trades based on that particular mathematical outcomes. So that is only one thing you have to convince yourself. Once you convince yourself with that, then trade will be an amazing business. It will be an excellent business for you. It will show its real potential to you. But if you think market never governed by any mathematics, market goes by only only that so that is, you can say, uh, purely depend upon how we can uh, take the trade into the next level. So whenever we are going to take the trade to a next level, we must learn some new concept and accept it. Accepting, adapting is the best way of winning the trade. But if you are not accepting specific idea, if you still think that only TV channels are going to guide me to be a winning trader, then God bless you, I can say. So that is the secret of your trading success. The moment you will be the person what you are in your real life, same you are in trading, success will automatically come to you. You need not have to go for hunt for the success in trade. I am enjoying if 50 dishes are there, food dishes or different 10 different sweets are there. If I am enjoying that taste, so I must also enjoy 10 different studies. खाने में 10 आइटम, पढ़ने में एक ही आइटम, वो तो ठीक लॉजिक नहीं बैठा, वो लेथर्जी हो गया, दैट हैज बिकम ए लेजीनेस का प्रॉब्लम आ गया वहां पे, तो दैट वोंट वर्क आउट. अपना सोच बदलना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो जितने भी ट्रेड दिखाने से भी आप बीटा डिकपलिंग को यूज नहीं कर पाओगे. मैं तो दिखाऊंगा, I will go on showing that same commodity trade. I made 68,000. I made 2.5 lakhs. After 3 months, I will say that I made 5 lakhs. Another 6 months, I will say I made 10 lakhs. But what way it is going to benefit you if you are not going to accept or study that method? So accepting and studying that method is very important. Then using that method consistently without having a doubt, suspicion, or any kind of tweaking, if you start using that things, the same experience also will come to you. Same experience will come. Nothing, no, what experience I have, same experience will come. So tomorrow, 7 to 7:30, we'll have the session on pair trade in commodity, and you can join that without fail. So with this, I'll be ending today's session. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. I'll be uploading the video in our YouTube. So go through the recordings,